Hi everyone, my name is Jessica, and I'm here to show you how to make sense of neural networks, the technology behind artificial intelligence. If you're into it, web development or AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me as we dive into the world of neural networks. Neural networks are made up of nodes or neurons connected between three layers. The input layer receives information and passes it to the hidden layer where data is processed, before being sent to the output layer, which explains the results. A solid understanding of these layers is essential for unlocking the inner workings of neural networks. Neurons make decisions based on ReLU, sigmoid, and tan functions. Weights guide neuron behavior and must be carefully adjusted for the best output. Variations in weights can lead to different results, so accuracy is essential. We adjust weights with gradient descent to make our neural network happy and content, like a baby reaching for its bottle. Then, we feed those cravings for accuracy with backpropagation, which feeds the network a healthy dose of error analysis. All this together leads to our neural network running at its peak performance. Neural networks have a wide range of applications, revolutionizing various industries. From image recognition, natural language processing, and self-driving cars, to playing complex games like Go and chess, their capabilities are truly astounding. Their versatility allows them to adapt to various tasks, making them a powerful tool in modern technology. Neural networks are incredible. Not only do we understand how they work, but we can use them for so many awesome things. If you liked this video, slap a thumbs up and leave us a comment about where you've seen neural networks in action. Tap the subscribe button for more techie, web dev, and AI goodness. Thanks for watching.